What does AI plus OI equal? Come to the Stack Money with AI challenge to find out.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Have you heard? I know I might look like the problem right now, but I'm actually on my way to get a foot massage because I can on a random Tuesday at 11:30 in the morning. While I'm doing that, not only am I generating content, AI has already drafted my school post for the community, came up with a couple email drafts for marketing. It's already working on editing one of the YouTube videos for a series that we have coming up. All of us got into business because we wanted to be a solution to a problem, and we all love our baby. In doing so, we sometimes traded one cage for another. You then signed up to be a content creator, accountant, a marketer, a TikTok dancer. This Thursday and Friday with the Stack Money with AI challenge, that's exactly what we're coming into the room and go ahead and bring to you guys. Different people in different levels of genius that allow you to get back to the center of your work. I love AI because I love humans. Get yourself out the busy work and get back in your genius. Join us this Thursday and Friday. I'm in, so I can go ahead and send you the link and see you this week in the room.
I am coming to Stack Money with .ai this Thursday to show you the part of the money conversation nobody teaches. How to take the income you're already generating and turn it into wealth that builds while you sleep. 10 vehicles, real strategies, a sequence that works from wherever you are starting right now. I'm Toni Wade, the compassionate investor, and I built a $3.2 million real estate portfolio starting from a single decision, and I'll be teaching that to you on Thursday. And something personal, I have been carrying a vision for a pre-K-12 university for over 30 years, and everything I have built points toward that. So when I say I'm in it for the long game, I mean that. So join us this Thursday at Stack Money with .ai and come ready to build something real.
What does AI plus OI equal? Come to the Stack Money with AI challenge to find out.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.